Welcome to the world of white cats, where their antics are sure to amaze. They're cute and cuddly, but also quite sly, and will keep you on your toes, or so I'm told. Take Mittens, for example. She's a little devil, with a fur as white as snow, and eyes that twinkle. She'll jump on your lap, and give you a purr, and then swipe at your face, like she's in a blur. She'll climb on your curtains, and knock over your vase, and then give you a look, like it's not a big chase. She's funny and mischievous, it's true, and sometimes she'll do things you never knew. But despite her antics, she's a joy to behold, with her soft white fur and eyes that unfold. She's loyal and loving to those she holds dear, and will always be there to bring you some cheer. Then there's Snowball, the king of the house, with a fur so white and a heart full of louse. He'll strut around like he owns the place, and then give you a look like you're out of the race. He'll demand attention and love to be pet, and then swipe at your hand like he's not ready yet. He's playful and curious, it's true, and sometimes he'll do things you never knew. But despite his attitude, he's a joy to behold, with his soft white fur and eyes that unfold. He's loyal and loving to those he holds dear, and will always be there to bring you some cheer. And let's not forget about Fluffy, the cutest of them all, with a fur so white and a heart so small. She'll snuggle up to you and give you a kiss, and then curl up in your lap like it's pure bliss. She's gentle and sweet, and oh so kind, and will never hurt a fly or make you blind. She's the perfect cat, or so I'm told, with her soft white fur and eyes that unfold. So, if you're thinking of getting a white cat, be prepared for some laughs and maybe a spat. But also be ready for love and affection, and a furry friend for your own protection. For white cats are special and one of a kind, with their gentle nature and loving mind. They'll snuggle up to you when you need a friend, and will be there for you till the very end.